All right, everybody, I want to thank you for tuning in to the Rev Moto Garage and changing the oil with me here on the Z650. Hopefully, watching this video will make it a little bit easier for you if you decide to do it yourself. Show you how inexpensively you can get it done and save yourself a lot of time and money doing oil changes yourself rather than taking it to a dealer and having them charge you double over what you can do getting the filter and the oil yourself. And you see how easy it is with just a couple tools. So thanks for tuning in to the Rev Moto Garage. You guys have an awesome day. All right, as you can see in our window, oil's almost right between the two marks there. So we're gonna fire it up, let it run for a minute, see where it settles, and probably add about the last 2/10 of a quart we have left to use that up and bring it right where it needs to be. All right, and lastly, we're gonna get it filled back up. Again, here's our window. Here's our oil fill plug. It's gonna remove that and get it filled back up. This is our full quart here. The other container is what we actually use to put some in the filter. And you use a funnel if you need to, but it's pretty clean and easy here. I get a little bit of extra over the edge, not a big deal. So we'll get it filled up, and then we'll fire it up. As you can see in the little window here, oil's coming up. We got our two little notches here to let you know that you're in the green. Okay, now we're gonna get our filter right back on. And really, guys, once you get it twisted on there by hand, you can use your filter wrench and tighten it up just a little bit extra. But then most importantly, also remember to get your bolt back in. Last thing that you want to do is start putting oil in there when you don't have your plug back in. And get this nice and hand tightened, and then give it just a little extra crank to get it tightened, and then start filling it up. Okay, now that the oil is all drained out of there, we're gonna take our filter, like I was telling you guys before, make sure we get some nice, clean, fresh, new oil. Go ahead and get a little bit on your finger, and we're just gonna rub it right around that rubber seal, real good. What I like to do also is just get a little bit into the filter itself before we reinstall it back on the motorcycle. And then we're ready to put it on, and we'll show you how to get it filled back up. Now we're gonna take our wrench, remove our oil filter. Get that oil out of there before we properly dispose of that. Now what we want to always make sure that we do here, it's essential for a good seal, is make sure that we're taking new, fresh oil, rubbing it around that seal, so when you pop the filter back on, you get a nice tight seal without actually over tightening the filter itself. As you can see here, we got our drain plug. We're going to use our 17mm socket and get that removed so we can get our oil draining out before we remove the filter. That way any possible mess will be reduced because you don't have a bunch of oil running through there. And get this going, and then over here you can see our filter up above the exhaust. Make sure we get that plug cleaned up before we insert that back in. And I'm gonna jump over here on the other side to show you guys a filter down there. And here's your oil view window. As you can see, I got the bike up on a stand to keep it upright and level, help it all get out of there before we plug that back up, change the filter, and then we're gonna need about 2 quarts of the oil I showed you earlier. And then we'll take a look at the window once we get probably about 1.8 quarts in there. Start it up for a minute, let it settle, and probably put the remainder in for the 2 quarts. This is the first time I'm doing the oil change on the Z650 here, but most of the time when I've done before, any sport bike similar, same type of engine, is around 2 quarts. So we'll get that. I'll show you how to get this filter off in just a second. We'll let that oil come out. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rev Moto Garage. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Z650 here. I'm going to show you the easy and quick way to do it and save yourself probably upwards of about $100 versus taking it in to the dealer and allowing them to do it and having to drop your bike off for some time, when it's simple, easy. The parts are readily available on Amazon, your filter and your oil, and a couple little simple tools to get the job done. So filter you can get on Amazon. It's a 16097-0008 Kawasaki original filter, about 15 bucks on Amazon. And then the oil, you can get about 6 quarts on Amazon of your 10W40. 4-stroke, 6 quarts, I believe was about 30 bucks on Amazon. Quick, easy to get. All in all, 45 bucks. Do it yourself. Real quick and easy. And all you need, oil filter wrench. Not absolutely necessary if you got yourself a nice set of wide grip pliers. That'll do the trick as well. and then a 17 millimeter socket to remove your oil plug. I also, which does make the job a lot easier, have an oil can to put underneath to catch your oil and not make a mess. And that was about 20 bucks on Amazon. Very good investment at a cheap price to help you get the job done. I also do the oil changes on my car and truck. Much needed. And you can take this and empty it into, from the spout here, a nice gallon milk jug that you can take up. You probably have a place locally to you that you can drop off the used oil, and they use it for many different things, and are usually more than welcome to take it for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'll get a couple close-up shots here of what we're gonna do, and then run you through the steps here.